Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is what comes before. What comes before? Here is turtle. Turtle is coming with numbers. It has brought number 2 and 3. So what is missing before 2? Oh yes, it was 1. 1, 2, 3. Look at now the numbers are complete. 1, 2, 3. Now turtle is going. Now turtle is going. Turtle is again coming. Now it has again brought number 6 and 7. So what comes before 6? So what comes before 6? Oh yes. It was number 5. It was number 5. 5, 6, 7. Now numbers are complete. 5, 6, 7. So we have learned the concept of before. I hope you like this video. So do practice at home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.